Hey everybody, Mike Wrench Mike. We are back for another video with Rusty, one of my all-time favorite cars. Believe it or not, this car makes me so happy. I'm smiling from ear to ear when I work on it every time. Almost. Some of that may have been a lie. All right, but we have received something in the mail today, and if you know anything about the R230 Mercedes, you know what this is, and you know why this car looks like it's taking a crap right now. Monkey, Ren, Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yeah, so if you look at the front suspension, all is well. If you take a look at the back, well, we're a little bit lower. We're a little bit lower in the back than the front, and it's now on both sides, okay? At first, it used to be just this side. She was kind of squatting askew. Now she's squatting poo, like that, okay? Now, the problem is, I'm hoping the valve body for the rear suspension. She's not leaking or dripping anything on the ground. Nothing is falling out. So I hope, I don't know, we're going to find out, if this little kit that I picked up is going to fix our problem. We're doing it ourselves. We're saving thousands and thousands of dollars. And Lola is going to be here every single step of the way, along with Legend. All right, let's get to work. All right, well, let me tell you, Mercedes, I know you made biodegradable wiring for a number of years. I didn't think your plastic would just fall apart and break. Like, this is the worst thing I've ever seen. And the car isn't even that old. This thing, it just literally fell apart. That part cracked off. No big deal. I wasn't even mean to it. I didn't even try to hurt it. And it fell apart. Those are the chunks right there. Wow. Not cool. So I guess I have to get a wheel liner. See? See? That's a hunk of junk. There she is. That is what we're trying to get to. Okay? Which can be lots of fun. So the first thing I want to do, I want to label 1, 2, 3, 4, all of these little hoses and everything, because I want to make sure that they go back the same way. Yep. So let's do that. We're going to do that with all kinds of zip ties just to kind of mark them up and let me know which goes where. The tool has arrived. Here we go. Yep, that is your special ABC hose removal tool from Mercedes-Benz. Yep, 80 bucks. I didn't spend that. I got this used on eBay. Some people use a 14 millimeter crowfoot, and it's kind of the same concept. We're going to try both and see what happens, okay? We have everything labeled once again. So all we really have to do is to kind of get under here and then push it up, and it should come up, right? It's not coming up. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, this one's disconnected right there. I should probably disconnect these hoses from here. Somewhere there's a, yeah, right there. There's a 10 mil kind of holding all these hoses in. That might give me a little more room to work. Let's do that. Well, just to give you an update. Amazing tool. $80, I can only get it to work on one of them. Someone's been in here, and so I don't know what's going on, but not all of these come apart. Basically, what you do is you get under here, and you push this thing up like that, and it's supposed to release the connection. Supposed to. Yeah. Doesn't always work. So what I had to do is relieve some of these little bolts, whatever they're called. I'm so mad right now. This is my new most unfavorite job, other than changing like the valve body in a transmission. This is messy. This is messy as all get out. So anyway, we're going to remove all of the little bolts there. I have 2 on top, maybe 1 on the side. Where does the one on the side go? No, the one on the side goes back around to here. Goes up to the accumulator. Okay, so that's good. Then basically, theoretically, you remove that nut right there and the whole thing slides out. That nut right there. Okay, you remove that one and probably that one, and the whole thing slides out. Fingers crossed. Can you even see what's happening here? Because we're having so much fun. Okay, there it is. Okay. Well, would you look at this? Yeah, tell you what, this is the valve body, and I've taken lots and lots of pictures, and it was really, really dirty. And yes, I'm working in my kitchen because it's 8:45 at night, and I got Fast and Furious on the television right there. Fast and Furious 6. Did they get better or worse as the series progressed? I don't know. Anyway, this is the valve body. These two and these two come off, all right? Then you replace all the little gaskets and everything. So far, not that difficult. This is all over the web, okay? So I'm not going to show you exactly how you do this. Basically, you twist these, and then you use your muscles, and you pull them up. Look at that. See, isn't that nice? Okay, then the ones on the other side right here are just a little bit shorter. There you go. So we're going to take all those off, clean everything out, and then I'll kind of show you the installation process, okay? Then we kind of button it back up and say a prayer. Hopefully we'll fix this, all right? Let the music begin. We have it. We have successfully disemboweled the valve body. Okay, FB1, FB2 colors, everything. Someone has been in here before because I didn't do all this. Okay, I did not do all that. It was dirty. I didn't make all those scratches. So what we're going to do is get this all cleaned up tomorrow morning, and then we will begin the rebuilding process. We can make this better. And I'm already seeing a problem, okay? Look closely. We're gonna go sideways. Okay, look right there. We had a blowout. Look at that. I guarantee you that is for the, if that's how it works, left rear, okay? Look at that. That's history, okay? Or maybe someone put it in wrong. I don't know. That's just like horribly disfigured. The rest of them look okay. And I present to you for a freshly updated, yay, solenoids. Look at that, okay? So what I did basically is I took them off, I just kept them in the same order. So I know this one was on top, then this one, and this one, this one, this one, and the big one, okay? These
are the ones that are falling apart. Look at that. These have been updated with the white right there and right there. These are just regular rubber O-rings, and they remain the same. Okay, so basically it's easy to do because x8r.co.uk gives you instructions just like this. It's easy to follow, easy to do, and the best thing about it, it tells you exactly what you need to do. The R, that's for rubber. The X, that's for the hard ones, the white rings. The updated ones just look like that, okay? Look at that. Now, we're gonna reinstall these on the valve body, reinstall it to the component right there, and we'll get it back in the car, okay? You don't get to see all of that because I'm probably gonna cuss a little bit, but look at the condition of these things. That's horrible. Well, we got her back in. I think she's buttoned up. I just don't know if these connections, I hate these connections. I just don't know if they're all the way in. We're gonna find out when I put pressure into the system, but let's see how close that one is. This one's a little further. But if I push it up, it doesn't move anywhere. Okay, and now you can see how I knew which hose went where. Okay, black and white goes to black and white. This one's all black. This one right here is all black. This guy's all white. And this guy's all white right here. And this guy's got nothing. He's naked. So with that, we'll get everything pushed back in here. And then we'll get the support bar put on. And then we're going to put some hydraulic fluid in and give her a start and pray to the ABC the gods. Hate to say that, but got to pray to somebody. So we got her started, right? Yes, we did. Are you going to shake? Shake. You remember? There you go. Good boy. Come on. You need your toenails trimmed. Shake or give me 5. How do I teach you? I don't remember. Give me 5. There you go. Thank you. Good boy. Good boy. Lola always does it. Okay. She started, but she won't rise, which makes me think I have to prime the system, which I don't really know. Well, I know how to do it, but I don't have the equipment. I know, it's got like 3,000 PSI, right? You put air in there, in the reservoir, it pushes the fluid through, and you prime the system. I don't have a computer that'll tell me when I hit 3,000 or whatever the magic number is. So, I need a new one of those too. But she sounds good, right? She's a little crooked, but she's coming back to life. Listen to the engine. It sounds really, really good. I think I need a new pulley right there. But she sounds smooth. Okay, so, Carly, let me interrupt you. We're going to call that a video. I don't know if we're going to call it a win, because I didn't fix the situation. But how boring is that when you know at the beginning of the video they're going to fix it? Where's the fun in that? Fun for the creator, maybe not really fun for the viewer, I don't know. But yeah, so I need to prime the system, and I have more bad news. Listen. Yeah. The pop is back. Here, we'll put this outside. There you go, listen to that. Yep. This is the car that just keeps you wondering. So anyway, the pop is back. I replaced the ball joint on the strut, which is usually the cause of that popping sound. And then I read the 2 cross beams that go underneath the car. If those aren't, the contact points aren't clean, that can be a source of a pop. So I took off those, which means all the covers underneath the car had to come out. That didn't fix it either. So I'm at a loss. Yeah, okay. So, R230 experts, help me prime the system and help me punch the pop. I got to get rid of the pop. That pop. Okay? Dagnabbit. Okay, folks. Thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We're getting back to the Bummer Beamer. Not the Bummer Beamer. The Better Beamer. No, the Better Beamer's gone. The Bronze Beamer. There we go. The E30. Yeah, we're going to get back on that car. And I have another car I'm calling the Silver Suppository. Excuse me. Yeah, that one's coming up. And then eventually we will get to the 1969 Mercedes 280 SE, because I got to get that car going. I really have to. I have so many people asking me about that. So we'll get that car going as soon as possible. Okay, as the dogs play, I'm going to sign off, folks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you again very, very soon. Bye!
And you just thought I was through, right? Yep. Nope. Can you hear me over that piece of crap compressor? Yeah, that's loud as you know what. Anyway, so what I've read is if I put like 1 bar of pressure into the tank and then start the car, the pump should prime itself and the back should lift. So we're going to try that. We're going to give this a shot. You guys can watch. Stand by and take a look. Holy crap, did you see that? Did you see it? It worked. Look, we have lift. We have lift. We have no leak, no leak, no leak, and no leak. Those look good. We have lifted the back of the car. OMG. Oh! Yes, that, my friends, is how you finish a freaking video with some lift.